death rates go down.
That's not my story. Before I was an Avenger, I made mistakes. And a lot of enemies.
He's called Science Taskmaster. He controls the Red Room. They're manipulated, fully conscious, but no choices.
I should have come back for you. How many others are there?
Enough.
We have to go back to where it all started. So they never do that to anyone again.
We're family. We fight with you.
You won't win.
I've always found it best not to look into the past.
Okay, you got a plan, or shall I just stay duck and cover?
My plan was to drive us away.
Well, your plan sucks.
At some point, we all have to choose between what the world wants you to be and who you are. I made my choice. I'm done running. Here's what's gonna happen.
Natasha, don't slouch.
I'm not slouching.
You're going to get the back hunch.
Listen to your mother.
Oh my God, this... All right, enough. All of you.
I didn't say anything. That's not fair.
You're new to Baltimore. You gotta go to the ride.
The right?
You don't know nothing, do you? The ride. Every Sunday in the summer, everybody with a bike show out. As far as you can see. Hold the bike back, or wheel. Stay straight up, so it look like the hands of a clock when it hit midnight.
What's that?
That's Midnight Click. They got the best bikes, the best tricks, the best riders. They just the best. The splits. Midnight Click legend.
So that's who you want to be down with then?
You know damn well the clique ain't getting down with no 7th graders. Last year I was just Miles. This year I'm finna be MNC Mouse. I'm finna be with the clique. And nobody gonna stop me.
Y'all trying to chill with the Midnight Click, huh?
I can't even get the bike started.
Work!
Click ain't gonna respect you till you pulling up on your bike. This ain't a charity, but you could rebuild it if you want to earn it.
What about my friends though? I'm not working for free in no auto shop. That ain't even how you go about getting your own bike in Baltimore City, yo. How you do it then? Like that.